All foot. You know some of them dead down. On to them. All foot. You better pray if you see how I age. Fool the age. When time when the foot can't stand up, I'm good.
So Nigos, what happened to the pretty girl they used to bring Panny Black?
Yo, last you know some that cut her off though.
What make?
She tell me say she want me eat her out, brother. Say what? You do the right thing, my boy.
Oi sir, tell him man foolishness. Nothing way wrong if you bite him, my boy. How will you tell my grandson say? No eating off the buff.
Yo, let him know no papa. Locks me tongue full of tricep and bicep.
Every man here saw taste spoony meat already.
What you mean like seasoned breast? I never taste that yet, brother.
You born from C-section?
No.
You born from C-section?
What that? VIP in a club? No, some in a party. No, papa, that's when them cut you out to your mother because she can't push you out. Oh, no, so she pushed me out.
Well, I rest my case. From no born out of one woman who no been covered in pony residue. Who no just no remember what it tastes like. You know what? Time to get your ass clock here. Cause you're nasty no bumbo.